In this video, let's discuss Burp Suite. So let's get started. Burp Suite is a popular tool for testing the security of web applications, which is extensively used by security professionals, testers, and developers to detect and take advantages of weaknesses in web applications. It includes various web application security testing tools, including a web proxy, vulnerability scanner, and attack tools. Burp Suite is available in free or community edition and paid or professional versions, with the paid version offering additional features and support. Burp Suite Practical. In this video, we'll show you how to install Burp Suite on your Windows operating system. Open a web browser of your choice and search for Burp Suite download and hit enter. Follow the first link from the search result. Click on Go Straight to Downloads. You can choose either the community or the professional version, which is a paid one. For this demo, we have chosen the community version. From the platform, we will choose Windows 64-bit. Now click on download. It will take a few minutes to download depending on the size. After downloading, go to the downloads folder and click on the downloaded installation file for Burp Suite. Click on next for the following instructions. After installation, go to your search bar and search for Burp Suite. Double click to open Burp Suite. Click on next. Now Burp Suite tool is ready for you to use.